Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not working on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. The first thing that we have to check, we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then we have to go to settings and tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi and wait for a couple of minutes and turn it on back. Solution number 2. Launch settings. Under settings, tap on general. On general page, tap on date and time and we have to make sure that set automatically is enabled. Now we go for solution number 3. Go to settings. Under settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy. Now tap on location services, turn on location services and tap App Store and select while using the app. Solution number 4. Launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. Now go back to settings, tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Finally, launch settings, tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.